So I bought this for my dog, and the brand is Dr.Trainer, and it comes in this box, and this is the collar, and there's an app to control it, and you can say like a whole bunch of different stuff like stop and like sit and stuff like that. And I think it's really cool because you can train your dog with it.
Here you go.
So I put it on my dog, and that's what it looks like on her. And this is the app, and like you can choose different volumes. You can choose like 1 through 5. And you can choose different tones like, or like, and yeah, it's really cool.